The film story begins in 2125. Here we see a space station, which was now an international alpha space station, where along with humans, aliens of different planets also lived and were sharing their technology with each other. Humans, aliens, both were working together on the alpha space station. This station had become a very big city. Everything was present here, but now because this station was very big, it could go to space, so everyone works on it, and it is made into a city and sent to the world. Humans, trees, plants, different types of aliens, everything is present at this station. It is said that every creature found in the world was here. After that comes the time after 600 years, we see another planet, where aliens who looked like humans lived. They were also called pearls, that is, a precious pearl. It was a very beautiful planet, and here they used to produce pearls. Because of these pearls, their planet was running. They used to find them and bring them from the sea, which was very expensive. They also had a creature, which used to feed pearls. He used to produce pearls. He had made a round circle on this planet. He put all the pearls in it and thanked his God that he gave him such a beautiful planet to live. He got such a good life. But one day a lot of spaceships and planes come and destroy their planet, due to which their planet also suffers. Now when their king and queen go to see what is in that spaceship, then by mistake they stop inside. Their princess was left outside and she dies because of the explosion of the spaceship. But before dying, she sends a message to the whole world, which was spreading like a wave. Now on the other side, for peace at Alpha Station, the people there and the aliens had shared everything in different parts, like one part of the police and the other of the army. Now we see Major Valerian and he had a companion with him. Both of them used to work for the government here and they were waiting for their next task. Now the message sent by the princess of a beautiful planet here. Valerian sees through a dream that how he had a beautiful planet, a pearl, and he was living such a good life, but when some spaceships and planes came and fell on his planet, they destroyed his planet. And now he is surprised and scared to see this dream, but still he does not know why this happened to him. Then his companion comes to him, whose name was Loreline. Then he gets his second task. He had to go on a mission. Valerian now scans his dream while going. He finds out that this is a very old thing, but still no reality comes in front of him. He thinks that this thing is either present, i.e. now, or of the past. He still did not know anything. Now both of them are sent on their next mission. This was a separate planet. They had to catch the creature from here, which had a lot of demand in the black market. Everyone wanted to take it because it produced precious pearls. When they look at that planet, it looks like a desert. It was separate, completely empty, barren, like a field. But the black market of this planet was in the other world here. To see this world, the people here had to wear a special kind of glasses so that they could see the world there. Now Valerian meets a man there who gives him a gun and glasses. He disappears and sends him to the world of the black market. That world was like a very big city. There were all kinds of aliens there. He finally reaches the place in the market where the deal was being made for that creature. This deal was between the alien mafia and the aliens of that beautiful planet. They came to take the same creature that produced pearls, which they only had one. Now they are ready to give that pearl in return. Valerian sees that pearl, so he was going to go to them and talk to them. And he thinks that all this was like my dream. But then the aliens creatures attack him, who were dealing with them. And they also put some of their aliens behind it. But this market does not end there. They also put some of their aliens behind it. But this market was too big. Because of which it gets lost. There were more alien creatures behind it. But somehow he runs and reaches his spaceship. But then a very dangerous alien attacks his ship. But he flies his spaceship and takes it from there. Now when Valerian had brought everything from there, he knows about that pearl. So he finds out that that pearl is very powerful. It has more power than this spaceship. And here he also finds out about the beautiful planet. That it was not anywhere in this world 30 years ago. When he tells about it, he does not get any information. His commanders knew everything about this planet. This was very strange. Then we see the creature there, which was exactly the same. Which we saw on the beautiful planet. Now they had found it. Now these people come to Alpha Space Station. It had become a very big city. There were a lot of parts made in it, where there were 800 different types of aliens. A very expensive metal was also made here. There were such aliens in it that could make the molecules compound again. They could regenerate. That is, they could make anything again. Here information technology, finance, all accounting books, and the banking sector were being managed. There were more than 9 million different types of people in the West. There were many more parts of it. Now when they land in Alpha, the commanders here meet them. And they tell them about the operation. They say that there is a dangerous place in the middle of Alpha, which we call the red zone area. The commander sent his team there to see what is there. But they never came back. Here, I think there is something that can destroy Alpha. It can swallow it. There was a meeting about these people, where they had to solve the whole matter. Now everything here was to be seen by the commander. What can happen, what can't. But here the government deliberately. That both of them can bring all the information. What is going on at Alpha Space Station? The commander had also made his robots here, which only worked on his orders. He had caught the aliens of the beautiful planet here. And they were hurting him. Why was this? We will find out later. Now here the commander also asks for the creature with Valerian, which he had. She refuses to give. She says that until the whole matter is not solved, our mission is not completed. It will stay with me. After which the commander goes to the meeting. Humans and different types of aliens had come. Now when the meeting was going on, there is a strange explosion there. People of the same beautiful planet come there. Who come there and take the commander with them. Then Valerian also follows them. But on the way, his spaceship also breaks down. The government also does not help him, because he had gone to the red zone area, where everyone was forbidden to go. Now his companion runs to help him. There he takes the help of some small aliens, and goes to him after finding Valerian. He was unconscious. This brings him to his senses. Then some dangerous aliens come there. They kidnap Valerian's companion. The government there also finds out that these dangerous aliens have caught Valerian's companion. But still no one was ready to help them, because it was forbidden for any person to go to that area. Valerian also knew this. So now he goes to that place. He goes there and takes the help of an alien. This girl was like a normal person, but she was such an alien, which could take anyone's form. She now comes in her real form in front of Valerian, and goes inside it and makes it exactly the same alien creature. The aliens who had caught Valerian's companion. Now they go to the same place again. They go there and see that the food of that alien creature king was going on. He was also going to eat Valerian's companion. But Valerian saved her with the help of that girl alien. But there in their fight, that alien creature girl dies. They both survived. They see a shield there. When they see it, some aliens come from there. These were the aliens of the same beautiful planet, who looked like humans. Here they tell their story to the king. They say our planet was very beautiful. We were living a peaceful life. But then one day there was a war in some spaceships and planes. This war was actually for Alpha Space Station, to capture it. And the government was involved in the war at that time. Who destroyed our planet? They made a missile. Although they knew that the nearby planet would be damaged. But they didn't do anything like that. And burned that missile. And in the same explosion, our daughter died. But the princess had sent a message before she died, which Valerian got 30 years later. Yes, this planet was destroyed 30 years ago. And that princess had sent a part of her soul to Valerian's body. That's why those aliens see Valerian's shadow inside Valerian. Here we know that these aliens worked on the spaceship. The spaceship that destroyed their planet. Then they came to Alpha Space Station. Here they learned about new technology. And how spaceships are made. How to start life again. Everything. Now they only had one pearl. And to make it more, they needed the same creature, which could make them more, as we saw in the beginning. And they went to find it in that black market, so that they can make their planet again. So here, to hide his mistake, the place where these aliens lived, that place was declared dangerous, so that no one can go there. Now Valerian and his companion got to know about all this. But now to save the commander, a lot of army and its reports are sent. Because the government didn't know the truth. Valerian tells the commander, "You have to accept everything in front of everyone." But on the contrary, the commander tells his army to attack. There the bullets start firing. The place where the aliens were. Now together, they wanted to destroy that place. Valerian also destroyed those reports, which were made by the commander. In the end, the government also finds out the whole truth. The commander is caught. Now Valerian gives that converter creature to the people of the beautiful planet, who used to produce pearls, so that they can make a lot of pearls from that creature, to make their planet again. And that's what happens. As soon as he sees that space shape turns into a beautiful place, all these aliens go to that planet to live their new life. Valerian was also quite surprised to see all this. And with this, the movie ends here.